Imagine waking up to a global broadcast. Independent labs have confirmed it. We live inside a simulation.
Within minutes, stock markets freeze.
Timelines flood, and your group chats explode. The proof? A reproducible physics exception. A lab repeatedly triggers a tiny region where constants wobble, lights flicker off-beat, clocks desync, and a particle stream renders blocky under high magnification.
Governments urge calm while scientists publish open code and raw data for anyone to test.
Religious leaders remind us meaning isn't erased by mechanism. They push a patch, and that's where it gets weird. Devices near the lab show UI artifacts, duplicated icons, impossible battery percentages, timestamps that read 00/0 across time zones. It's not just in the lab anymore. If the simulation announcement is real, the first question isn't, who built it, but, what changes when the rules can skip? Stay with me. Next episode, the first public glitch.
A commuter train security cam records a platform crowd freeze for 0.8 seconds. Then resume like nothing happened. Not a video stall. Multiple angles confirm shadows, smoke, and LED tickers pausing together. Audio spectrogram shows a clean horizontal band. Silence. Exactly 0.8s. Independent analysts rule out post-processing. Within hours, similar clips surface. A rainfall that halts mid-air. A bird hovering, wings locked before physics unpauses. Authorities propose network desync. But with what network? Upload your own pause events to a shared map. Patterns cluster around high compute districts. Coincidence or contention? If our world streams from somewhere, then bandwidth contention could look like this.
A global notice appears in developer channels and quietly in a standards repo mirror. Stability update mitigates desync artifacts under extreme observability. Translation: when we look too closely, things jitter. This patch smooths it, but the patch backfires in unexpected places. Smart traffic systems treat green and red as the same hue for 3 minutes in 12 cities. Hospitals report monitors showing normal, while patients feel faint. The displays interpolate. The patch tries to hide glitches by blending frames. But truth needs discontinuities. Lesson 1 of living in a simulation. Stability and accuracy can be enemies. Which do you prefer? If we're simulated, do love, art, and ethics still matter? Yes, because subjective experience is the currency of meaning. Pain still hurts, joy still heals, choices still ripple. Philosophers point out we already simulate with stories, games, and models. Revelation doesn't erase significance, it reframes responsibility. If we're in a construct, then our builders measure something. Maybe cooperation, maybe curiosity, maybe resilience under uncertainty. That makes kindness a compatible strategy, not a naive one. Whether base reality or rendered, you still author your local neighborhood of meaning.
A global coalition launches Project Hello. Harmless, high-contrast signals in math and prime intervals embedded into city light grids, radio silence windows, and neutrino beam patterns. Idea: if there's an overseer watching logs, Hello lights up dashboards. Weeks pass, then a subtle reply. An unassigned memory range becomes readable at prime timestamps, filled with structured noise that compresses 10% better than random. Message or mirage? Hello iterates. Whether or not they answer, we learn. Our reality exposes APIs, some we might discover by play. Two camps emerge. Modders want to exploit glitches, speed-ups in compute zones, physics quirks for medical imaging, even save points, reproducible states for experiments. Healers want to stabilize the commons, patch artfully, monitor ethically, publish safeguards. Both are right, and both can be wrong. If we yank too hard, the scaffolding shakes. If we fear change, we waste a once-in-civilization chance. The practical middle: sandboxed experimentation, transparent audits, community vetoes. We can be curious and careful. Morning. Your phone displays a consistency score for your neighborhood. You schedule workouts outside predicted pause windows. Cars auto-switch to deterministic mode near hospitals. Schools add reality literacy, how to verify events across sensors. Creators? New genre. Glitch casting, live shows during minor artifacts. Therapists treat ontological anxiety with grounding. Name 5 real sensations, then act on one value. Life goes on, just with a new weather report. Today, light jitter, 5 to 7 minutes.
Speculation ranges wide. Ancestors simulating their past to learn? A safety incubator for emergent minds? A multiverse rendering farm searching for stable physics? The most actionable assumption: we're evaluated on collective problem-solving under imperfect information. That points to goals we can pursue without metaphysics. Reduce suffering efficiently. Expand knowledge safely. Steward complexity. If the builders watch, that probably scores well. If nobody watches, those goals still make sense.
Discovery doesn't end the story. It starts a harder one. We can treat glitches as excuses to disengage, or as invitations to collaborate. Build shared protocols, publish open tools, and keep wonder close. If reality is code, then meaning is how we run it, together. Follow for the full playlist. Comment "Hello" if you want the open worksheet to craft your own sim glitch story.